What started the use of 911 as the national emergency number? Kitty Genovese's tragic murder in 1964 played a significant role in the development and eventual adoption of the 911 emergency system in the United States. Her case highlighted critical shortcomings in the public's ability to quickly and effectively reach emergency services, which led to widespread public outcry and eventually spurred changes in how emergencies were reported. On March 13, 1964, Kitty Genovese was brutally attacked and murdered near her home in Queens, New York. Initial reports, which were later partly disputed, suggested that 38 witnesses saw or heard parts of the attack, but failed to act effectively or promptly contact the police. Although these reports were exaggerated, the perception that people had not called for help caused public outrage and prompted discussions about the need for a better emergency response system. The widespread coverage of the Kitty Genovese case brought attention to the difficulties in contacting emergency services. At the time, people had to dial local police precincts directly, and there was no universal emergency number. The delay and confusion in reaching help during Genovese's attack underscored the need for a more efficient and accessible system. In the wake of the public reaction, government officials began to explore ways to improve emergency response. The need for a centralized, easy-to-remember emergency number became more evident, leading to the development of the 911 system. Although discussions about a universal emergency number were already happening, the Genovese case accelerated these discussions. The case emphasized the importance of a system where people could quickly and easily reach help without having to know the specific number of the nearest police or fire station. By 1968, just 4 years after Kitty Genovese's murder, the first 911 call was made in Haleyville, Alabama. The introduction of the 911 system marked a significant improvement in how emergencies were reported and handled across the United States.